Certainly. Wooden beds are a timeless choice in interior design, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal. The design possibilities for wooden beds are vast, allowing for customization to fit various styles and preferences. Here's an extensive look at wooden bed design ideas that can inspire your next bedroom project. Rustic charm. Rustic wooden beds often feature a distressed finish, showcasing the natural grain and imperfections of the wood. Reclaimed wood is commonly used, adding character and sustainability to the design. These beds can have a farmhouse aesthetic, with thick, sturdy frames and simple lines. Adding elements like barn doors or wrought iron accents can further enhance the rustic feel. Modern minimalism. For a sleek and contemporary look, consider minimalist wooden bed designs. These often feature clean lines, smooth finishes, and a low-profile frame. Materials such as plywood or engineered wood can be used to create a lightweight yet sturdy structure. A platform bed design is popular in modern aesthetics, allowing for a low height that emphasizes space and simplicity. Mid-century modern wooden beds are characterized by their elegant lines and functional form. They often have tapered legs and a headboard with geometric shapes. Teak or walnut woods are commonly used for their rich colors and durability. Incorporating bright accent colors in bedding or decor can enhance the retro vibe of this style. Scandinavian style. Scandinavian design emphasizes functionality and simplicity, making it perfect for wooden beds. Light woods like birch or pine are often used, creating a bright and airy feel in the bedroom. A Scandinavian bed might feature a simple headboard, soft curves, and a focus on natural materials. Incorporating textiles like wool or linen can add warmth to the overall design. Canopy beds. For a dramatic touch, consider a wooden canopy bed. This design can evoke a sense of luxury and coziness. The frame can be crafted from solid wood, with intricate carvings or simple posts that support draped fabric. This allows you to play with textures and colors in your bedding while providing an intimate sleeping space. Storage beds. Incorporating storage into your wooden bed design is both practical and stylish. Beds with built-in drawers or lift-up frames maximize space in smaller rooms. These designs can be sleek and unobtrusive or bold with visible hardware. Using high-quality wood ensures durability while maintaining an elegant appearance. Sleigh beds. Sleigh beds are known for their curved headboards and footboards, resembling the shape of a sled. This classic design adds a touch of elegance and can be made from various woods, often stained to highlight the natural grain. Sleigh beds work well in traditional or transitional settings, pairing beautifully with ornate bedding and accessories. Bunk beds. For children's rooms or guest spaces, wooden bunk beds can be both fun and functional. Modern designs often include safety features like guardrails and ladders integrated into the frame. Customizing the finish with playful colors or themes can make these beds more appealing for kids while maintaining durability. Headboard designs. The headboard is a focal point in any bed design. Consider options like upholstered headboards framed in wood for added comfort and style. Alternatively, you can opt for a slatted or paneled wooden headboard that adds texture and interest to the overall design. Custom carvings or even shelving incorporated into the headboard can provide additional functionality. ChatGPT for Midjourney Gemini Claude, September 10, 2024, 8:29 p.m. With growing environmental consciousness, eco-friendly wooden beds made from sustainably sourced materials are increasingly popular. Bamboo, reclaimed wood, or FSC-certified timber can be used to create beautiful designs that are both stylish and environmentally responsible. These beds often feature natural finishes that highlight the beauty of the wood without harmful chemicals. Mixed materials, combining wood with other materials like metal or glass can create striking contrasts in design. A wooden bed frame paired with metal accents, such as legs or decorative elements, can add an industrial edge to the overall look. This approach allows for creativity while maintaining the warmth of wood. Custom designs. If you have specific needs or aesthetic preferences, custom-designed wooden beds are an excellent option. Collaborating with a skilled carpenter or designer allows you to create a unique piece tailored to your space and style. You can choose everything from the type of wood to the dimensions. Ensuring that your bed fits perfectly within your bedroom layout, wooden beds offer an incredible range of design possibilities that cater to various tastes and requirements. Whether you prefer rustic charm, modern minimalism, or anything in between, there's a wooden bed design that can enhance your bedroom's ambience while providing comfort and durability. By considering elements like style, functionality, material choice, and personal touches, you can create a